wo min sutem.
Oh, okay.
Ufri sutem na akwa asua de na oba aburaso na oba potiri krum na oba adujama. So ka so wo fa wo sanifa so ufri asua da kwa meche krum fa wo man koku krum nsuta beswa. Yes. No.
Kwa meche krum wo akire.
No, kwa meche krum de ufri asua da kwa.
Eba kwa meche krum.
Keke.
Eba kwa meche krum. Wotra fa
wo man na kwa meche krum yes.
Aha ntinya botre.
No bia ma kandi abom ye nkwala.
Yes. Ekro na ukara nyina okwa.
No, that's true. O say ufri asua da no wa branch ye wo branch road nsutem. Na okọ pokuase esie nchem nti uduru sie nchem a ebe pure offense ho na me maame ne me nananom afuo nyina wo nti nsutem ho de nsutem no de ho na ye wo me age se tete me wie nsutem DAJHS ti en kwala na ufi nsutem na oba asua de na obebo gala wo kwa me chenkrom ne fa wo man na wo qualify de oba asua dujama tu fra dujama no graduate ya bedru man kan so
your time be tro BC wo farming.
Oh okay, me twem de wasu ade na je me krom sutem kran je say na je me fin sutem na be twem no wasu ade nti it tells you say a passion na me di afo no southeast edujama a galamsey issues and allegation and a cause so and these were and allegations are
the same thing I may ever have.
Yes. Because me tin sutem no nsuo biem na ye dwarem ne enom na se pipe na ye bu no krenkru no ese ya ye kobu nso obiem na no pa be ko be miensa na wo free sutem ba ye wa pan nsuo apan no ho asa na obedu junction na ekọ pokuase na ba kwa ba asua de so this way nsuo a ye wo ye me enom ye ade anyina ma ye nyansa be no na ne ye nuanom NDC ni DC fo etum galamsey enti I think my boy Evans nso abaso investigation bia ni ho ehu chain mining galamsey but the mining investigation
the point is that ye nin komoni ya nsuo no say no mene the former DC enya problem
okay
you say na we ya ho bi a certificate me I'm not saying say colonization near but the point is that munyina mudi ho for
but I think one concession I was say nyina gitum ni say galamsey kura anhase ne tetene ye wonsu tamu no nsuo turn out to see abontene from sa biom so onim system ya biom esane besi ba bi anka na wonyina nsuo tene out minya nsu kotwea gold nketenkete sesa tete no enti ne friend gather and sell galamsey anka say gather and sell nsuo to now to see abontene ba bia ye mining prone area bia no which was sasa na mani bi ye na no wantimi anka gather and sell no say galamsey so galamsey has been with us. Gather and sell has been with us. But the rate are aircon. And so man cran. Any bam fear me near senior man cran.
Oh, yeah, man, no.
Who travel the car if you come crumbs to tell me about Udu man crana. Not go to Sabin Kusenia, ye senior womb. But a nrechi, me call man cran in so. Because man cran and one connected to southeast, Nadia could see any young crunky to him. Enti, Obin Kase Galamsey and the MPP was good. And nothing a president, your mama catch and say, within 3 months, or the soldier for any member because go on trene. Yet Chroma had the 9 of 4. JSS 1 color, ya saw almost trouser black, and I saw almost white. Yet the atari for Galamsey 9 months for no. Me don't yango pon. Near the soldier for me, and be a come. And you see, and then Galamsey be a state sponsored. Oversee a picture, so I'm tired of post to you.
A blue water guard.
Blue water guard. No, they all fall within the number. Watch them, Kalanka, to get away. Blue
water guards in Kona.
Blue water guards. Oh, Mama fighting Galamsey.
Oh, no, they are says, yes.
Miss and Yomre, Miss Ome, O Sejon, Miss Ome, Mammy, and I'm going one. Miss Omwan. Massa, Okasama and Disiana. Okasama and Disiana. I Akoma from Yonia. I Akoma from Yonia. Missy, my American credential. I Akoma, and Yonia. Missy, so do Onia. What could you walk away? I don't. and then my boss and then me post
it was leading. It was a discussion.
And then me
post
a different.
So
me post a different on radio. JB, and then me post on radio is a different poster.
Let me handle it.
JB, woman, my pals are free. What be doing? So person yes sitting for NDC.
Let's do
this time. I'm ready for you.
Let's do.
There be a chairman. That me show her. Now me no church.
But I want to tell you so. Only moral rights is so.
Sir John, me say. And Mrs. John,
I don't really do two. Early to campaign. So I organize. Is up organized.
Yes. You know, I mean, who said my boss, the hard-working, humble, Dr. Francis Adumako, Ebaha, the most successful regional organizer. 3 times. Very, very hard-working.
Oh, sir.
Yes. 2014 or so. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Francois is a very humble, loving party for the dono. Timi menya akwanya atran na ase na asua adwuma kakra. Na my boss Francis Adumako say will contest regional secretary, of which I know the party people and pedifo ni nyina be hye na niwenyam de tumi na ma no. But have vacancy na e be down. So when you be a wasua de e Francis Adumako nsa no ngankasa untimi nya adwuma. My party adwuma for many years, half of my life. My polling station youth organizer, polling station chairman, my contested constituency elections. I was the deputy national TESCON coordinator. My name is boss Nana Buachi Nana B. Yeah, the whole Ghana campus is Nana B. The whole country. And so in 2018, me contested as a regional youth organizer. A journey moons and some party for one said there be nyabutre. Yabema umrefu from now the aba. 2022, and I'm a very regional youth organizer. Your party for ni whom mobile. A ya home brass, Juma Pa, Akoma Pa, and ya dream pie, this some party. From 2022, a besine, Mason party as regional youth organizer. I mean, can you manum? Me share radio communication, I say. I was Santi-member since 2009. For many years, almost 16 years of my life. My radio so abo party who the road akasasa papa ya otimi sabe nkumi me na hia ba bia besi ha say John eh na me no hia radio station ya chiri so nyina masa ma ngebi ma kama sem be ma kama sem ne record me so asa na o tu galam say o radio no so sa ofia no kwa asa o say radio zase no radio zase no o say ni nyina enti ya some party or communication makase for the past 4 years as regional youth organizer. Me to mpanifo bebre. At least me to my mpanifo be the regional youth organizer. But me jidi say I want to concede say me soma yebi. I may not be better than all the other experienced guys. Yes, 4 years, my 4th year, 2022 to 2026. My yebi pa because under my leadership as regional youth organizer, programs upon programs, events upon events. Programs upon programs, events upon events. Because me my whole den pa the party connection to big men in the party. Me ma ho brase ne se de me si mani identity no party panyini bia pema se mo party nim. Eti se me ko twe party for mpanifo aba na ya be ye programs event there. Me na me ye all the regional youth organizers jitum. So I did and I organized one of the biggest party programs in this region. Haja Samira Baumia. When me panel big men in our party and big women in our party. I just Samira Baumia, a special guest of honor. KNUST. Yes.
So now offense that time no more.
Yes. Now Hajia was a special guest of honor. Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe ebema a keynote address on that day. 3 days residential program. So that time no. Now you got to 2022 about to my test for in some kwesi o KNUST. Test con igu. Now I was say me yes our program no from Thursday to Sunday. Now me keep put test con for over 1,500. Okay, NUST for that event. And unyo bia we are connected now between raise resources so you couldn't have done it. Now we have ministers, CEOs, DCEs, party executive to meet at one point. Now you become party in one sem and restore your TESCON, the confidence in our TESCON and youth mobilization. Programs upon programs, resources and logistics. My whole day or party mu connections amenya mpanifu a mini wo mo ama manya connections nti me per resources amemre
so dey do baby na one me who picture bi a ono Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
no me ba me ba connections am all party mu nti me in 2024 me ankasa na me raise motorbikes ema all my youth organizers in this region. Sabre any party and I'm disagreement and way in term. You say the big says na any chairman disagreement on some of the issues and e cause on. Me and Kasana me raise resources at the year me campaign compare motorbikes. And all my youth organizers one constituency one motorbike. I me achievement and recorder. Apart from few youth organizers I know more to kwine and the be a manya be amo. Your party security people. Party be our those young men or mujina on my party no me ya donating motorbikes for our party people. That is what I did. Hey, 2024 campaign all the markets in Ashanti region, our grand market, our friends, so all the market to market, traffic street campaign, all campuses. But I made sure say visibility campaign, traffic lights. But the party young people were on the street campaigning for the party.
SHS for na dinamo.
Yes. In 2018, you had the free SHS buy, and Nana B, so I'm a deputy TESCON coordinator. And he said there be to be metiti secondary school for free. Na yenya so faso. Our boss, Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, was the Minister of Education. And ye tena se on national TESCON level. And ye the free SHS association buy. And ye demand all the regional youth wing said they should also implement them in the regions. So your free SHS association, when I became the regional youth organizer, I had platforms, constituency BI or free SHS graduate platforms, and I'm in Omo Edin Komo. Now can Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, but I think this campaign, Makano social media, say campaign where